Be honest. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and actually liked what you saw? Most of us just check for messy hair or a pimple and move on. But today, on day 6, we're going to use that mirror for something much bigger. We're going to stop fighting the world out there and start fixing the reflection in here. Let's talk about the mirror technique. Think about this. If you have a smudge of dirt on your forehead and you look in a mirror, you don't grab a cloth and start rubbing the glass, right? That's crazy. You'd be there all day and the dirt would still be on your face. But that's exactly what we do with our lives. We try to scrub our bank accounts, our bosses, or our partners to make them better. Ho'oponopono teaches us that the world is just a mirror. If you don't like the scene, stop scrubbing the glass. Clean the person looking into it. Today I want you to actually stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes. It might feel awkward, and that's okay. Just stay there. I see you. I see the stress you've been carrying, and I'm so sorry I judged you for it. Please forgive me for being so hard on us. Thank you for showing up today. I love you just as you are. I see you. I see the stress you've been carrying, and I'm so sorry I judged you for it. Please forgive me for being so hard on us. Thank you for showing up today. I love you just as you are. I see you. I see the stress you've been carrying, and I'm so sorry I judged you for it. Please forgive me for being so hard on us. Thank you for showing up today. I love you just as you are. Repeat the phrases while looking at yourself. Watch how your face softens. You aren't fixing a person. You're clearing a projection. Your challenge today is simple. Every time you pass a mirror, give yourself a quick I love you. No judgment, just cleaning. Comment I am the creator below if you're ready to stop scrubbing the glass and start healing the source.